Hello, staycation here at Park MGM. So this is the parking lot here at Park MGM. So this is level 3 parking. There were a lot of people parked at level 2 because that's where the walkway to the hotel and casino is. But you could go to level 3 and then just use the elevator to go to the walkway. So cloudy today here in Las Vegas. All right.
Second floor.
Second floor.
Going up.
All right, you could see the sign. So this is hotel and casino walkway to the Park MGM. Cloudy and windy. The weather is nice. It's not really that hot, like 100-degree hot, even though it shows that it's triple digits here in Las Vegas, but it's not that bad today. All right, so this is the concierge right here, and we are going to check in. Bell desk. That's a VIP check-in, but let's see. Oh, this is key printing and key pickup. Ah, okay. So this is the hotel check-in area. So there is that corner store. We have Primrose. It's like a bar. So this is the hotel lobby here at Park MGM. So the bell desk, VIP. Looks like they have clothing stores. They're also selling alcohol. We're just going through the line for people to check in on their rooms. So I'll be back when we get our keys. All right, so the Wi-Fi is checking in, and it says here that if you want to scan the code to view the property map of Park MGM, you know, so that goes to the pool, and then this is the corner store. So she's just making the keys to the room. Let me just go. Let me just go walk around right here. So we have the shop right here. So they have bags. Oh, all right. So the wifey has the keys already. So just so these are the elevators to the hotel, to the rooms. All right, I see that one. Right. Whoops. Whoops. All right. All right. So it looks like you have to scan your key here. So at least the elevator would work. Because if you're not a guest, that is a safety feature that the elevator would not go up if if you don't have a hotel key. Let's go right here. Okay, so let's go. All right. So lead the way, honey. All right. So this is how it looks right here. And the hallway to the rooms. All right. There you go. So the honey is opening the door. All right. Thank you. This is, let me just go in here. Nice. So this is the room here. Okay. So yeah, so this is the bed. Okay. And the TV. And that is the couch, table, one chair. All right. So looks like it has space for your belongings, and then this one too, right here. Okay. Oh, and it looks like, nope, that's just the mirror right there. That's a mirror. That's not a cabinet. They have a lot of plugs and USB for charging. And then this is the in-room dining. that you just scan instead of a like a manual menu. So this is interesting new technology that they have here at MGM Park, wherein this mini bar is sensor operated, meaning if you lift any of these items here, and it says here that if it is more than 60 seconds, if it's not there for more than 60 seconds, that means it will be billed to your room. All right. Okay, and it says here refrigerators for personal use are available for a daily fee and may be requested by contacting guest services. So, okay. So they don't have a refrigerator in the room, but then again, if you need something that you have to put in a refrigerator, you have to pay a daily fee, and it might be on a different space or spot here in the MGM Park Hotel. This is new information and a new way of running a business here at MGM Park. So, and this is the bathroom. Bathroom. Oh, okay. So it doesn't have a tub, but it is walk-in shower area. And then this is the toilet. Toilet, and then you could put stuff under the sink. And this is the okay. That is the sink right there. Has a mirror and a small mirror for the ladies if they have to put on makeup. Okay, they provide mouthwash, hand wash, hand soap. Okay. So they have a mouthwash. They provide mouthwash, and then this is like shaving cream and a shaver, toothbrush and a mini toothpaste. And then okay, so it looks like they have oh, Q-tips, and I think this is for makeup purposes. The pad and oh, this is a shower cap. Shower cap. Right. And toilet towels. Okay, so that's the body wash right there. Oh, looks like they have a message for being green, and this might be the hair dryer and a extra toilet paper. All right. Well, let's see what they have here. So they have the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Nice. So, all right. So, and then this is how the room security features, and then the do not disturb sign, and then the emergency exit plan. Oh, and they have hooks here for jackets. And let's see, what is this? This might be the cabinet then. Oh, yes. This is the cabinet right here. So you close the door to the bathroom, and that doubles up. So this space right here is the cabinet. So they have an ironing board. They have a safe Nice, that's a good safe. Okay, so the ice bucket experience park MGM at home. Yes, that's clean. Those are clean glasses, drinking glasses, and wow, this is nice. Ooh, these are nice, like shelves to put some clothing on it. That is nice, and they have a luggage holder. Okay, so it goes both ways. So if you want to close this, and then you will be back to the bathroom. All right. So the wifey opened up the. Okay, so that's the view. So the view that we have is towards the mountain. Okay, so that is the view. And then these are like condominiums. And then, oh, there you go. That's Aria. Oh, and also, okay, and we have the view of the pool. Oh, that is so nice. Let me walk around here. All right, so it looks like the pool is not full. All right, so, and then the one, yep, so they have three pools. So they have this one, they have a smaller one, and they have a long one. Okay, so Park MGM pools right here. That the one with the canopy, that's the tram. That's the free tram that goes to Area and then Cosmopolitan and to the Bellagio and to the Park MGM. All right. So, all right. Nice view. Nice weather today. This is the Park MGM hotel room tour view at night. And that is the pool view at night. The area, the beautiful night sky and skyline of Las Vegas, and the room view at night here at Park MGM. All right. So this is the hotel room tour here at Park MGM. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Watch the video next. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the value that you get from my channel as I walk around here in Las Vegas, getting entertained by watching or getting new information. And if you like that, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.